Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Some interesting words here. I'm not quite sure at first glance how any of them are linked to each other. Snicker and laugh are obviously the same thing, but I don't know how we're going to find 2 other words connected with them. So maybe they don't even go in the same group. Mar, obviously the start of March. That obviously has a few other meanings, but again, nothing that goes with anything I can see. An airhead could be a synonym for a dumbbell, or a dumbbell could just be something you find in a gym, along with a bench. But again, I don't know what 2 other words would go with them. A mound and a mat. I suppose a mat is used in yoga. It's also used possibly in a gym as well, with a dumbbell and a bench. What would the 4th one be, though? No idea. Why I said mound and mat together is because a mat you can use for gymnastics and a mound is where the pitcher stands in baseball, so I was thinking maybe they're both vaguely connected with sport, but you'd need 2 other things connected with sport, specifically places you stand to do the sport, I guess. I can't see anything along those lines. What else on earth are we going to be able to do? What's Joker got to do with any of the other things? And demon? Angels and demons? Demon Barber of Seville? I've got no idea what's going on with this puzzle so far. A bump. It would mar your day if you had a bump. But I can't see how that's going to create a group either. Oh dear. Band. Rubber band? Or band leader? I've got absolutely no idea what's going on. Dial is laid backwards. Can touch the dial, change the dial. Huh. Demon has horns? Does anything else have horns? Chess. What does chess have? Chess has pawns. Chess has a king, a queen, knights, rooks, bishops. I was going through those deliberately slowly, just in case any of those words that I was saying rang a bell with any of the others, but it really didn't. Laugh and snicker just so clearly go together, but I cannot believe I can't see 2 other things that go with them. Joker and airhead, technically, maybe? I don't know. Oh, a card is a joker. You could say somebody's a card if they tell jokes, I guess. So a card could go with a joker, but what else? Oh, a character, a joker. I feel like that's got to be a group. A bump, mound, mat, mar, band. It's got to be airhead or dumbbell, I would have thought. Let's try dumbbell. 1 away, that's frustrating. We'll try airhead instead then. That's also 1 away. Oh. Could be a bit of a card, a bit of a mound, a bit of a bump. I just cannot see. Oh, just a bit of a laugh, perhaps. Oh, that's so frustrating. Really should have thought of that sooner. So what on earth? Snicker is not going to go with laugh. So Snickers Mars. Oh, is there going to be two other American chocolate bars I've never heard of? Dial. Is that similar to one? I'm not sure. Dials, mounds, bumps, bands, demons. There's so many things that it feels like you can pluralise. Snickers and Mars are the same thing anyway, aren't they? Didn't it? One of them is the former name of the other. Okay. Possibly. That makes it less likely that they're in the same group, is what I was getting at, if that is correct. It still could be dumbbell mat and bench as being elements of a gym, but I don't know what the fourth one would be, unless airhead is something you find in a gym that I've just never heard of. Goodness knows. I'm just relieved I've got at least one group, because this is a really tough one. Or at least I'm finding it tough. Let me know in the comments if you also are struggling or did struggle if you've attempted this previously. Bumps. Mound. What on earth has mound got to do with anything? Demon. Speed demon, speed chess, speed dial? Speed bump? Is that really going to be the group? It's plausible. None of the others go with speed. Oh, what a tricky group. That is the purple one. That's usually the most difficult one. So maybe this gives me more confidence that I can get the other two. We've still got dumbbell mat and bench. So maybe that's one group. Then Snicker and Mar can be the other group for chocolates. So is Airheads a chocolate bar? It probably could be. Mounds or bands then? Let's try these three and band. Resistance training equipment. They are all found in a gym. And then are these for chocolates? They are candy bars minus the S. Wow! That is exactly what I thought they were. I have solved the connections game somehow. That was a really tricky one. Really did not expect to get through that, but I did. How did you get on with this one? Thank you for watching, and bye for now.